Don't download Frase Enterprise Content Marketing app before watching this. Before you download Frase Enterprise, here's what most marketers misunderstand. It's not just a content writer. At the enterprise level, Frase provides AI-driven content research, SEO optimization and workflow automation, but most teams fail by skipping strategy. Step 1. Define content goals. Decide if the focus is on SEO, lead generation, or brand authority. Most people get this wrong by producing content without targeting, wasting time and resources. Step 2. Configure AI workflows. Automate content briefs, optimization suggestions and research processes. The surprising truth is, generic AI output can lead to low-quality content if not reviewed. Step 3. Integrate with KIMS and analytics tools. Without integration, content performance insights remain fragmented. Step 4. Track performance. Monitor organic traffic, engagement metrics, and conversion rates. Teams that ignore this data fail to optimize strategy effectively. The upside? Proper Frase Enterprise use can increase content efficiency by up to 35%, improve SEO performance, and streamline editorial workflows. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your team defines goals, configures AI carefully, integrates tools, and monitors performance. For smaller teams, Frase standard plans may suffice. Subscribe for tips on leveraging AI to maximize content marketing impact.